Hey everybody, this is take two. The first time I didn't get what I wanted, so I'm going to try it a little different. We're doing a round today. It's about a 16-inch round. This is house paint, semi-gloss, mixed with Floetrol a little bit, and some GAC 800. That keeps it from cracking. And I'm just going to pour this in the center. Until I get what I need. Stretch it out a bit. Okay. No, that's not good. Okay. Now we're going to add our colors. Well, I'm going to hit it with a blowtorch just a little bit, get some of them bubbles out. Let's see. We have some Fluorescent Pink. Dioxazine Purple. Might as well use it all, huh? Use the rest of this too. I'm trying these colors to see how they play together because I want to do a piece of furniture coming up. Figure we'd make something while I'm checking it out. And some light purple. And some Prussian blue. Some turquoise. Okay. Now, where'd my spatula run off to? It's probably buried. Here you are, it is buried. Let me wipe it off. Looks like my table's unlevel. I'm going to put my cell activator on here. I'm going to add a little bit of silver. Now, let's swap. And let that do a little something something. Then we'll spin it. Always wait a minute and let it do what it's going to do. Didn't do enough through there. That's pretty. Alright, let's spin it. And the other way. That's pretty. Very, very pretty. I don't even think I'm going to do much at all with that, because I don't want to mess it up. I love that. Let me take you down for a close-up. Okay. I cut the middle light out so it wouldn't glare as bad. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? It comes up to just a mass of lacing. I love the colors. More lacing. So pretty. You got this little bit of color coming down. The overall. I really like this one. When it gets dry, I'll bring you back, let you check it out. Then I'm going to add some resin to it and she'll be ready to do the back, then ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Be safe. Have a great day. Later, Gators.